I'm Dr. Shyla Mohip-Chawala. Everyone calls me Dr. Mohip. I was born in Chicago, raised in North Carolina. Went to school in North Carolina, then I went to dental school in New York. From there, I went to the Navy. I served for 4 years. It was the greatest experience ever. I learned probably the most dentistry anybody could learn in that 4 years. It was great. Then I met my husband, we had 3 kids, and then I got to do what I love the most, just is dentistry. Treating people kind, acting like they're my own, taking them in and just getting to know them first and then talking about dental health for them. I don't know what makes me love it so much. So I just think people, I'm a people person. I just like people. They just make my day better. I want to help them. I want to make sure that they're comfortable with me before I continue to do anything. And then I love dentistry on top of that. And when you can make someone smile, it's like the best feeling ever. Dental school was first. I got the Health Professional Scholarship from NYU to serve and get my loans paid off, and went straight into the Navy for 4 years. That was sort of what they call a residency. After that, you just start doing your own thing. You go into private practice or you stay in the Navy if you wanted to. I chose not to because it was too much traveling. Then I did join a practice. I was there for a good 2 years, and then I met my husband, and that's how I ended up here in Atlanta. We've been here for probably 14, 15 years now, at Shining Smiles for 12. Well, Shining Smiles is only 2 years old. It was called a different practice. So I got to know all of my patients from being the associate there. We kind of just spilled back over into Shining Smiles, and luckily all of my patients have stayed, and I feel like I know them all like family. Even the new ones that come in, I try to spend a good amount of time with them just to get to know them. I actually tell them about dentistry and what needs to be done to their mouth, so they kind of get a little bit of trust with me. That's very important. My dad always told me when I was a child, from day one, you treat people like you want to be treated, and you will get rewarded beyond measure. Each one of my girls that I keep here, I just try to treat like my own. Like, I want to make sure that they're comfortable in every aspect of what they do, whether it be their child's birthday or whatever. If they want to take a few hours to go be there for their child at school, go. Just be comfortable. And I feel like the team we have is just amazing. They more than mimic what I'm trying to put out there. And I hope they're feeding off my energy too. From the time you walk in to the time you walk out, you feel just the family love here that we have. There's no tension in the air. I think that's hard to find in a lot of dental practices. Just come give us a try. If you don't like it, we understand. But come in, give us a chance. You'll feel the energy that's here. You'll feel comfortable. Just come in, and you won't leave if you come in. Just give us a chance. What I do think makes us stand out the most is just the family loving environment that's here. Not just from the front desk, like I said, from the office manager to the assistants to the hygienists. They all take their time. They let you know every step of the way what's going on. I'd just like to say that, we do stand out, and I notice that now just because I hear it from my patients. Not so much of me comparing myself to anyone else, because I'm proud of us, I'm proud of what we do, I'm proud of everything that we stand for.